All right, everyone ready for the 12th annual Goldstein Family White Elephant?
Yes, but I'm a little rusty on the rules. Can I get a refresher, hon?
Sure, okay. So White Elephant is our dad's favorite Hanukkah party tradition. So the way it works is that the first person takes a gift from the pile, and then the next person can either steal that gift or go for a new one. It's a lot of fun, but fair warning, things get pretty intense around here.
Ron, if you're gonna date my Allie, you better get used to this now. Hope you brought something good.
Yes, I did, sir. It's right there in the pile.
Okay, who wants to go first?
I'll go.
All right, Rachie.
That's pretty tempting, Mr. Goldstein, but I think I'll go for a new gift. Right, let's see. So, what's the policy on stealing back the gift you brought at the end? Which I would never do, because these are gorgeous socks.
All right, Dad, it's your turn.
All right, Ron, you're lucky I like you, or else those puppies would be on my feet.
Oh, I think you're gonna like that one, Mr. Goldstein. Just a hunch.
Yeah.
Just a hunch.
Okay. Here. Oh. An Apple Watch. It's not really lovely, Ron. Thanks.
Be nice.
It's a Series 5. I threw in a year of Apple Care and everything.
Way to go, Ron.
Billy!
What, you think someone trying to impress Dad would get him something a little nicer?
Oh my god, not every family is materialistic like ours, Billy. Jesus Christ, you're so rude. Ron, I'm sorry. He doesn't.
All right, I'll go next.
You're not gonna take the watch?
No, I don't want your crap, dude. I'll go with this.
Oh, that's good stuff.
Oh, did you not get what you want? That's so sad. That sucks.
There's more.
Happy feet, happy boy!
I know my son.
Yeah!
Okay, what is going on here?
Hey, we do not use that tone in this house.
Yelling?
Yeah, we get to yell, you don't get to yell. You may not understand the art of Hanukkah gift giving, but you'll respect it in our home.
What? I got you a $500 Apple Watch and you didn't care. This whole White Elephant is horse shit.
Okay, everyone, calm down. This is not worth ruining Hanukkah over, okay? Just because Ron doesn't know how to gift give doesn't mean he's a terrible person who I need my daughter to break up with. Now, if you'll excuse me, I think it's my turn.
You know what? If I had known you guys were such goddamn sock freaks, I would have just given you these. Yup, that's right. My laundry day toe socks. Fresh from my feet. I'm sure you'll love them now